The U.S. House passed the Keep Your Health Plan Act by a 261 to 157 vote, but the real magic number in that vote was 39. That's the number of Democrats who broke with their party to vote for major changes to the president's health care reform.
We fumbled the rollout on this health care reform.
It might not feel like it, but just 1 month ago, public opinion polls showed Republicans reeling from the effects of the 16-day government shutdown. But that healthcare.gov fumble, as the president calls it, sure was a game changer. The website glitches, along with millions of Americans receiving health plan cancellations, have amounted to what one Republican representative called a Category 5 political hurricane. Record low poll numbers for the president also mean tough questions for the rest of the party. Republicans are already showing an eagerness to capitalize on their opponents' troubles. Republican Congressman Fred Upton's Keep Your Health Plan Act could be an early example of that. The title of the bill even takes a jab at the now infamous promise from the president's campaign to pass his signature law.
This is not a serious attempt to fix the Affordable Care Act. This is a political statement.
Even so, that statement swayed 39 Democrats, some of whom face a problem the president doesn't have to worry about: re-election. In the first month of the rollout, the National Republican Senatorial Committee raised $3.8 million, more money than any other month this year. And the National Republican Congressional Committee has already listed 17 Democrats as targets in districts with traditionally close races. On Sunday's Meet the Press, Nancy Pelosi called the rollout terrible, but she said the initial problems would just be a blemish on a future policy success.
And we must remain calm when we talk about the health of our country. And I have full confidence, as do my members. However they voted on this is political. They respond politically.
In an interview with ABC's This Week, Democratic Senator Kirsten Gillibrand compared the motivations of the 39 defectors to President Obama's own efforts at administrative fixes to the law.
If they're trying to allay someone's concern to say, listen, we're going to make sure there's something affordable, and during this transition period where implementation has been rocky, we're going to allay your concerns, that's reasonable.
But the New York Times notes voting for Republican bills on healthcare might not be a wise political move, even after the healthcare.gov disaster. After Friday's vote, Republicans mocked vulnerable Democrats who voted yes as political turncoats running from past votes. President Obama has already said he would veto Upton's bill should it make it to his desk, saying it would gut the ACA by allowing plans that don't meet the law's standards. And although one would expect a Republican bill affecting Obamacare to go nowhere in the Democratic-controlled Senate, Democratic Senator Mary Landrieu has said she's considering bringing up a similar measure. For Newsy, I'm Alex Mallon.